Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I will be embarking on an unforgettable journey through the stunning Canadian Rockies. So buckle up and let's dive right into the video. Alright guys, so my first stop is going to be the world's famous Peyto Lake.
It's a decent trip from Calgary and takes 2.5 hours. Let's take a moment to soak in this incredible view. Peyto Lake is known for its unreal turquoise color that seems straight out of a postcard. Its glacial-fed gem is located in Banff National Park and is a must-visit for nature enthusiasts. The vibrant color comes from the suspended rock floor in the water, which reflects sunlight in a mesmerizing way. After an inspiring experience at Peyto Lake, now I'm headed to Yoho National Park to witness the might of Takakau Falls.
So I reached my second destination and that's the Takakau Falls. Let's go see the amazing falls.
So it's an hour drive from Peyto Lake to Takakau Falls. The name Takakau translates to magnificent in the Cree language, and it couldn't be more fitting. With a total height of 384 meters, Takakau Falls is one of the tallest waterfalls in Canada. Water cascades down from the Daly Glacier, creating a jaw-dropping spectacle. The myth and roar of the falls make this place truly magical.
What a wonderful day it has been today, and didn't even realize about the time. And look, I'm already here at my third destination, and that's the waterfalls.
It takes an hour drive from Takakau Falls to Wapta Falls. Wapta Falls is a hidden gem of Yoho National Park. Although not as towering as Takakau, Wapta Falls has its own unique charm. The hike to Wapta Falls takes you through beautiful forest and offering a refreshing escape into nature. And here it is, the wide and wonderful Wapta Falls is a true nature wonder.
So guys, whenever you're going for a hike or on a trail, make sure you carry a bear spray, because in summer it's highly recommended that the wildlife are roaming freely. So for your own safety, it's better to carry a bear spray, and you can purchase them on Canadian Tire stores or on Amazon. And today I would like to share my experience for Banff as a whole, because no matter whether it's winter or summer, I've always got a different vibe, and it's just, you know, an amazing feeling I've always got while capturing the Canadian Rockies and looking at the falls, lakes, mountains, everything. It's always a different vibe for me, and I've never lost that positivity whenever I've gone to Banff. So I would highly recommend the people who've not visited Banff to do visit Banff and to check the videos I've made on Banff. The videos are in the description below. One thing I would like to say is that videos don't do justice, but what actually does justice is when you physically visit the place and you experience it yourself. And guys, stay tuned for amazing videos that are gonna come up soon for Banff. Stay tuned. Hope you guys like the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also let me know in the comment section what was your favorite part in today's video. And until then, this is Sham from Explore with Sham signing off. Till then, take care and bye bye.